Math Minions, here is box plot and how we do this, all right? So first we need a set of data. Boom, there's our data. 9, 15, 15, 8, 12, 8, 20, and 9. So to make a box plot, you need 5 things. Your least value, your greatest value, your mean, your lower quartile, and your upper quartile. Well, you already know how to find the least value, the greatest value, and the mean, so that just leaves the last 2. So with this set of data, let's see. Least value, 8. And then the greatest value, well, 20. Median, well, wait a minute, you can't find your median until you change your numbers around in order so that they're from smallest to biggest. So there we go. Now we've got them in order. And our median is the middle. Oh, since we have an even number of numbers, we've got something between 9 and 12. Well, we've got 9, 10, 11, 12. Still need to go in between. 10 and 11, that would be 10.5. Now we have our median. Our lower quartile means everything that's less than your median, you take all those numbers and find what's in the middle. Okay, well, what's in between 8 and 9? 8.5. Yay! And then the upper quartile is the exact same thing, only with the top half. Everything bigger than your median. So, what is the middle? 15. Now we've got our 5 points, and that was like the hard part. I know, it was really easy, right? But that's the hard part. Now all we have to do is put the dots. There's a dot for my lowest value, my greatest value, my median, my lower quartile, and my upper quartile. Remember, Mrs. Sissel is like the only person probably on the planet that puts a dot for the median. Everybody else uses just a straight line. I wanted all 5 dots. So now we have to put in our box. And the box goes from our lower quartile to our upper quartile. So here's my box. It goes, you can see, from 8.5 all the way up to 15. Now I put in my line for my median. And then I put in my whiskers. There's my smallest and my biggest. And there we go. That's how easy it is to make a box plot. Let's do another one. Whoops, I guess we won't, because that was the end. Somehow I got all the way to the end of my thing. So we're going to go all the way. What the hey? There we go. That's what I'm looking for. There. 8, 9, 11, 18, and 14. So my least value, 8. My greatest value is 19. And my median, wait a minute, we have to rearrange. There we go. Now, what's our middle? 14. Our lower quadrant, what is halfway between 8 and 11? What's the middle? We already did that. 9.5. There we go. And then same thing for the upper quartile. What is your middle? Well, that would be 18.5. Here we go. Dot for 8. Greatest value of 19. A little off there. 14. 9.5. 18.5. Now we put in our box from quartile to quartile. Put in our line for our median. And then our whiskers. Ta-da! All right, one more. We have 7, 10, 7, 11, 9, 10, 16 in our 5 points. Our least value is a 7. Our greatest value is 16. Our median, wait, gotta rearrange. Now, there's our median, right in the middle, 10. Our lower quartile, what's in the middle? 7. And our upper quartile, what's in the middle? 11. And now we just put our dots in, but pay attention. You're going to see something a little interesting. Here's my least value. There's my greatest value. There's my median. Watch what happens when I put my lower quartile in. Oh, wait a minute. Do that again. Wait, one more time. It went to the same place. So my lower quartile and my least value are the exact same thing, which really means we're not going to have a whisker on the front end. Watch this. Let's bring in the upper quartile, and now the box goes from quartile to quartile, which is also my least value. Put in my median line, and then my I only have one whisker. This poor little box plot only has one little whisker. How sad! But that can happen. You can have a box plot that doesn't have a whisker on either end. It doesn't matter. It doesn't happen very often in real, true data collection, but we wanted to make sure that you saw that it could happen. All right, so that is how to make a box and whisker plot. For those of you that did not come to class, we have a problem set to do, as well as a couple of IXLs that go along with this. And I will see you when I see you.